And for this month's Meccano build, Meccano set 4 in dark yellow and blue parts, we want to build a milling machine. I've not done this before. It looks a decent size model. It's got a little lever here, goes up and down. See what it does, and then building it as we go along. So off we go to the model. Here's some of the stages completed, 1 to 9. I'll start with the back end with the motor on. I've added a little rubber here, stop the driving man coming off. That's connected onto your 90B poly wheel. And then using an axle rod, a number 15B, 4-inch, which does not show you on the plans what size of axle rod you need, so be aware of that. Behind that I'm using a collar to stop the axle rod coming in and out. The top end I'm using a 4-inch again, 15B, instead of 2 axle rods and a rod connector showing on the plans. I've just improved a little touch there. Let's go to the front of the model. Okay. Now the bottom of here with a big pulley on the back, I'm using a 26 pinion or gear, I usually call them. And this will engage with a number 28 contrast gear. In a minute I'll show you. Over here you can see on your big axle rod number 13 there's a big pulley wheel and there's a washer. Well, if you look at stage 7 you'll see a round circle, and what it is actually a driving band. Well, that will now connect onto a number 27F multi-purpose gear later on. On the axle rod here you can see a worm and the lever here. So the lever goes out, and as you push it in it will now engage with your number 26 gear. Just turn it, and it'll turn your big pulley wheel, you can see. Disengage it, push it out, and the big pulley wheel will not turn again. On the other stages there's another lever here, goes up and down, does something, I don't know what yet, I'll show you later. I'll show you this section here before this all gets built in. You won't be able to see what's happening on the inside. So now off to the next stages. Off we go. Yeah, some more of the model done. I want to go on to this section here again. One with the driving band on, which is on now on your number 27F multi-purpose gear. Now that's bolted onto a number 154B angle bracket. There's 2 of them. There's a right one and a left one, so this is the right hand one. On that you have to adjust this bit a little bit, so that multi-purpose gear here will in contact with another one on the other side here, which is on a 4-inch axle rod, and on that axle rod there's a little turning handle. See, I'll screw that on after. I'll turn. Now onto your tabletop. Let's have a look at it. For all this section in here is held on by a 12C each side. I've added an extra bolt here with a washer behind him on this side, so when this comes down this equals levels off. Also I've added a number 12 bracket here and here, just altered a little bit on the plans to build more neater. So if I wind it up, it should hopefully see that go up on your table top, go back down again. Now that is doing it by using a 2-inch screw rod here. Underneath you'll see 4 little pulley wheels, loose ones. Well, they will sit in between the top of your model, which will slide up and down. As you can see here is a long bolt. Well, that goes in here. I'll show you the next mechanism here, what's going to happen to make this go up and down like that. Let's put this away to one side. If you last bit nearly done. What's up here? This is the outside of it, what it looks like. Now in the manual you'll see another lever. This is what I'm going to do. So if I up and down here. So let's look inside it. I did how it's working. A better shot for you. Okay, well this is the lever here. We'll push your 27 gear up. As it's going up, this gear then will contact your worm, number 32. And once that's contacting your gear, this will move this up and down. I just push it up as we'll be doing it, and then I'll turn it. You can see here I put where the longboat's going to fit in your collar, and that'll push the table up and down. So that's how that's working really. So it's a better video shot for you. Show you the inside of it before I put it in. Now let's go and put it all together with the bits and bobs and show you working. Off we go. Yeah, model put together, ready for working for you. Wheels on, have a look at bits of glass there. This goes in that, as you can see earlier on, works pretty well. Small alteration on this section here, one with a tyre on it. Yeah, number 48 part number. I put it on the outside. Where it was, it goes on the inside, but the up and down handle here for your gear weren't going down as much, so I've altered that. That's what you need to do. A bit of fine tuning with it to get it going. Let's see it working. There we go. There's a wheel turning there. So operating gauge here. See that's turning. And we'll lift the lever down, and that'll push the number 27 gear up, which engages with the worm to move the table going across. There we go. Very slow, but not bad. If I want to stop it moving a little bit, I'll just disengage if I wanted to. Put it back in. Now I'll go back versus, you can see. Let's just stop the table, I'll just there. And I'll take that out again. And that's enough. And that is now your milling machine. Hope you enjoyed the video about this model. Bye for now.